Today I'm going to answer several common questions I get. Number 1. How much does it cost to make AI videos like this? I personally spend about $150 a month in subscriptions, but it all really depends on what you're trying to do. Number 2. Can you make a movie with AI? The short answer, yes, but it really depends on your filmmaking knowledge. Realistically, it would cost about $10,000 and take about 6 months to a year, but you could make an AI animated film by yourself if you wanted to using AI. I know this because I know I could do it. Number 3, is Midjourney dead? No. Not by a long shot. It's actually in a league of its own if you know how to use it. I have a course on this coming soon. Number 4, do prompts matter? Yes and no. It all depends. Certain situations require a well-designed prompt, but others can be a simple one-sentence description. Number 5, where do I start? I would use Midjourney for images, Nano Banana for editing images, Suno for music, Seedance 2, Clean 3, or Grok for generating video, ChatGPT for scripts or prompts, 11 Labs for audio, Pixpurse for lip syncing, Higgsfield for effects, and HeyGen for talking avatars. Number 6, what app are you using? I'm not an app. I'm not using an app. I use about 6 or 7 different platforms, and then I combine them to make my videos. Number 7, what about ComfyUI? We're a pipeline. For me, that doesn't work, at least not right now. It's because what I do is complicated, but basically, everything I do is crafted intentionally before moving to the next step. So any sort of pipeline just doesn't work for my workflow. Number 8, a 2-part question. Is there a way this is free, and can this be automated? Both questions are no. Not in any way that gives you good results. Number 9, I'm not getting the same results. Simply put, it takes time. As you learn more, your results will improve. If you don't want to deal with a steep learning curve, I'm working on a course to help speed things up and help people cut corners and get the results they want quickly. Number 10, this is just AI slump. I don't watch AI slump. Not exactly a question, but let me just tell you this. You're probably watching a lot more AI content than you even realize. You just don't know it's AI, so you might as well get on board or you'll be left in the dust. So that's it for now. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. I hope it was helpful. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!